Everybody looking at me like I'm crazy. That's how we do. Whew, this bag is heavy. Liquidation bin store came through. Look at that, Martha Stewart. They sell for $16 on Amazon a piece. I paid $1 each. And copies, books. One book I got was 90 bucks used. Selling for 90 bucks used. So yeah, this is the life of a reseller, guys. Bam. Blur out that license plate right there. What's up, guys? You want to see how I make my money? Finding books in these bins, these Amazon liquidation bins. That's a $50 book right there. Cha-ching. And I still haven't even finished looking. I just barely got here. So let's see what else I find. Y'all have a good day. What this dollar day looks like for me. I bought these Martha Stewart paper pad Christmas craft paper. How many was it? It was 143, close to 150. Let's see. I'll let you guys know how much it was after I counted all again. I lost count. That book right there is $90 used. Race, Gender, Class, and Media. Those Washington books are 20 bucks a piece. That single case research mythology book sells for 50 used. And these coffees, their enjoy by date is expired, but people still buy them. I'll lot them up, sell them in lots, auction them off. And yeah, that's what I got. That's my workstation right there. Shipping, computer. Those tables I bought for 15 bucks each at a liquidation store. The same store I bought those Martha Stewart's at. And I need me a bigger TV. Got a Dymo just sitting right there. I got my other Dymo over there. I got some work to do. I'm gonna put my own stickers right there. Let's see, I actually got some clear stickers I could use. I'm gonna sell them as used like new. Hold up, oh, they're over here. These Dymo stickers are actually clear. I bought these a long time ago for $1. Hold up. Yeah, these are invisible stickers for the Dymo. But I'm gonna use them to keep these pads shut. All right, let's see. And cut that in half. Take off these old ones. So I'm selling these as used like new. Put that right there. Bam. But the sales rank is so high that even as used like new, mine will sell. I'll put it for like 50 cents, 60 cents cheaper, and I'll get mine sold. I don't have the proper receipt to sell them as new, and I don't want to chance it, so used like new. Got that to hold it. And yeah, I'm gonna make over $1,000 on these. Look at that. I've sold them before 2 Christmases ago. I made a few $1,000s. I forgot exactly how much I made, but yeah, I sold them before. And yeah, that's it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.